Yeah. Go ahead.
Yo, I didn't record. Oh my god. We're on our way to AC. Of course, I didn't record, and now we are. So we're off to AC. Daddy's always driving, and my poor kids are in the back, stuck. Hi, Jensen. Where you going? Your favorite place?
Speak too soon.
I know. Traffic time. So this is what Jensen likes to do. I don't know how to adjust. I'm bad at this. He got his feet up like that.
No, you should have put it right there.
We're at our favorite spot. Sam's Club over there. And McDonald's.
You walking.
Crybaby.
I think my kids are.
Ooh, a $5 meal deal.
They've been had that.
Let's just show you a toy.
Daddy, is that to me?
For them to see your number for blue.
Daddy, is that thing? What is that thing?
Justin, can you eat your food, please?
What's your favorite view, Jamie?
Anything?
Anything?
He said, Daddy, look.
We're going.
What are you doing?
Shut
up, Eli.
Elish,
You're already annoying.
chill out.
He said, Daddy, look.
Don't you
And
eat
you
my
don't even pay attention to him. He started screaming.
You don't even bring the
Daddy,
camera anymore,
look,
bro.
Daddy.
What
He's
camera?
telling you to
Big
look.
one.
Look.
Oh, because it's hard to record. This one's more,
Yeah, that's
So
the new.
easy.
That's
it's
the
more
new
hidden.
version.
It's hidden.
Daddy, what?
Nobody not gonna see it.
Daddy, what, Daddy?
Come on, get going. Press it down. You don't need to wait for them. Let me come up though.
I don't know, but really good. She gonna be mad as shit. Press lobby.
We're going on the beach.
We're gonna
Justin,
kick you out.
Justin got his stroller and his sand toy. It's not sunny outside, but
Just as a shirt.
we're still going on the beach. Katy Perry. Man, this would be fine. It's sunny, and say it's not gonna be sunny. Woo!
Oh, she.
No, we're gonna go down there.
Alright, let's go down there.
Alright, we're here at the beach. They just redid everything. Look at all this brand new. All that. Ferris wheel is open. Sand's nice.
I can't walk, Daddy. I can't walk.
Yes, you can.
Daddy, I can't walk.
I love the beach. It's our first day on the beach this year. Our first beach day for the summer. School's out.
Yes, you can. Imagine they couldn't find us.
Helicopter.
Careless whisper from a careless man. A neutron dance for a neutron fan. Marionette strings are dangerous things. A thought of all the trouble they bring. An eye for an eye, a spy for spy. Rubber bands expand in a frustrating sigh. Tell me that she's not dreaming. She's got an ace in the hole that doesn't have meaning. Reality used to be a friend of mine. Cause complete control of the temperature kind. Christina Applegate, you gotta put me on. Guess whose piece of the cake was that born? She broke a wishbone and wished for a sign. And told the whispers in my heart were fine. What did she think she could do? I feel for her, I really do. And I stared at the ring finger on her hand. I wanted her to be a big PM Dawn fan, but I'll have to put her right back with the rest. That's the way it goes, I guess. Baby, you send me out. Baby, you send me out. I'm sad adrift on the river. Baby, you send me out. Baby, you send me out. I'm sad adrift on the river. Baby, you send me out. Baby, you send me out. I'm sad adrift on the river. Baby, you send me out. Baby, you send me out. I'm sad adrift on memory bliss of you. Oh, baby, you send me. 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 Baby, you send me.
Get off of that. Both of y'all.
Singing on. Where's the moon? Daddy, that was the moon.
That thing will break.
Jensen, look at Daddy.
You gonna have to listen to me.
They allow you to ride on there?
How? Isn't there one? Oh, he's gonna break it. Oh,
He's gonna break it.
We're just staying there.
This grown man rides the baby. Baby ride. This grown man. Look at him. That grown man. Happy. Look at this grown man. This grown man. Happy. Why you guys so stressed out?
I was not about to eat.
How much did they give you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Where's Jensen?
Can you record that, please?
Ooh.
Oh my God!
It's hot.
You wanted that. That's what happened.
No.
There is. You gotta get it. You want me to bring it over for real quick? Eli! Hey, what
Wait, cop coming.
We have to drive. Do we walk? We can walk, right?
Night time. Our first night. We're gonna wake up early in the morning. Maybe try to fish or play basketball. And then go grab some stuff from Walmart. What the hell you do to him? What he do to you? Go get it. Cry baby.